Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Thank you for coming on this virtual tour with us. Today we have a Lexus 98 Lexus GS300. I am super excited to be driving this car. It's got 140,000 miles. Let's turn this AC down because it's really hot today. Does it tell me the temperature? It says 91 outside, but it feels more like 100. The audio system is great. It's got an amazing audio system. All the speakers sound really good. Okay, that's to close it. We're gonna leave it open, but it might create some wind, so I'm gonna close that. This Lexus is so nice. It is absolutely amazing. It's got the 2JZ motor in it. Reliable motor, super smooth transmission, and I cannot wait to take it for a drive. Woo! Excited about this. Reverse control drive. No reverse camera. It's like I said, it's a 98, but let's go smash. Try not to run this guy over. I got you. It is a sunny day here in Turlock, California. Beautiful day. Beautiful day to be driving a Lexus. So like I said, it's got the 2JZ. Woo! This thing takes off. We are ready to go. Ready to roll. So we got, I wouldn't say suspension noise, I would say more like road noise going on. I mean, you guys know that the Lexus is made by Toyota. They make good parts, they overbuild these cars really well. And man, this thing is just in great shape. The steering wheel is so nice, it's so sporty, 3-spoke steering wheel, leather wrapped. I love that it has kind of a feel to it right here. Feels more than just leather. It's got these little holes, and then over here it's just a good leather wrapped up here. It's got a great design. The steering wheel is well designed. And 2021, and this being a 98, I mean, wow. Performance wise, it's great. The motor's got plenty of pickup. With 140,000 miles, I mean, this thing is wow. Transmission is super smooth. Whoa. Oh, I love driving this thing. So happy to be behind the wheel of one of these things. An old one, but a good one, definitely. Trailer. Woo! Oh man, I'm already going 80. Better slow it down. So I'm super excited to be doing these videos again. I just got sick over the weekend. I was sick all last week. Totally sucked. Oh. But you know, check this out. 98 Lexus. Going 70 miles an hour like nothing. I think that's got to be Lexus quality right there. Wow, I cannot say enough good things about this car. This car is just awesome. Oh no, looks like we need to put some gas. Here I am going 80 miles an hour, baby. Woo! Hear that Jay-Z motor. Let me tilt this down. Maybe that'll help with the noise. What do you guys think so far? You guys like the Lexus? Because I think this thing's a dinosaur, first of all. But I mean, it's a dinosaur with class. I mean, the quality is just so good. Everything is just where it's supposed to be. Nothing's broken. All the windows are working. Everything is working. Mirrors are working. They're down here. All the switches are down here. We know the radio works. I mean, the gear shifter, I mean, it's just a normal gear shifter. That still opens up great. Glove box. Does it have navigation? Let me see how it does. It says map. I agree. Oh, never mind. It says check hard disk. All right, I'll go back to climate. But here we go. Getting ready to do it again. It's an awesome car. The leather is still all in good shape. The armrest is in good shape. A little dirty in here. Yep, ew. But man, it's got everything you need. Nothing you don't. All right, we're flooring it. That's it, 0 to 60. Man, this thing just drives phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. For such an old car, you think it'd be breaking down by now, but I mean, just wow. Wow, wow, wow. Super impressed. That motor's so strong. Transmission's so smooth. I mean, just wow. This thing is a beast, a powerhouse. Let's check this out. What is this? The odometer, 140. Gone 5 miles, 5 miles. That's it. Need some gas. Oh, the dimmer. Probably have to have the lights on. Fog lights on. I don't know, it's probably, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's go to Jay-Z. 2 Jay-Z. Gotta do a quick cop check. Make sure I'm not being followed. No, not another red light. Oh. It's okay. All right, guys, that's the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the Lexus. Let me know what you guys think of the miles. Is that too much miles? 140,000 miles? I don't think so. It just needs some gas, but other than that, absolutely nothing. This car is, for what it is, amazing. Drives great, drives fantastic. I love the style of it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the comments.